This footage captures a severe workplace accident involving a forklift attempting to unload an oversized crate. Because the load was improperly secured and exceeded the forklift's stable reach, it lost its center of gravity and tipped forward. Critically, workers standing in the danger zone attempting to manually steady the load were struck, resulting in serious injuries. This incident highlights several key safety takeaways. First, everyone must maintain a safe distance from operating machinery. Never use physical strength to guide a suspended load. Second, operators must strictly adhere to load capacity and size limits, using specialized rigging for unstable items. Third, certified training is vital so that operators maintain situational awareness and stop if pedestrians enter the hazard area. Ultimately, P is no substitute for strict protocol. This serves as a sobering reminder that a single second of complacency can lead to life-altering consequences. Safety is everyone's responsibility. The footage captures a harrowing moment on a busy street when a speeding dump truck loses control, leading to a massive collision. Traveling at a dangerously high speed, the heavy vehicle slams into several parked cars, kicking up a massive cloud of dust and debris that obscures the area. The aftermath is a scene of absolute chaos with scattered wreckage and shaken bystanders rushing to help. This serves as a sobering reminder that responsible driving and adhering to speed limits are non-negotiable. Excessive speed reduces reaction time, leading to devastating consequences. We must remain vigilant in high-traffic environments to protect everyone. Key takeaways include: speed kills as high velocity makes heavy vehicles impossible to stop. Stay alert because control can be lost in seconds. And prioritize the community, as safe driving protects every pedestrian and commuter around you. Inside a manufacturing facility, an operator managing a plastic film laminating machine narrowly escaped a disaster when their hand came too close to the nip point between two rotating cylinders. While attempting to adjust material during active operation, the machine's powerful tension instantly caught their limb, pulling their body toward the narrow gap. Fortunately, co-workers intervened by pressing the emergency stop button. This incident serves as a stark reminder that safety protocols are mandatory. To prevent such accidents, personnel must respect danger zones by never placing hands near moving parts like rollers or gears. Under the zero-motion rule, machines must be fully stopped and secured via lockout to gout loto before any maintenance. Furthermore, wearing proper PPE and avoiding loose clothing is essential to prevent snags, as absolute focus is the only way to avoid life-altering injuries. The clip depicts a highly dangerous incident where an excavator is being unloaded from a flatbed truck without proper ramps or safety protocols. As the machine shifts its weight to back off, the center of gravity changes abruptly, causing the truck bed to tip violently. A worker standing in the danger zone is nearly crushed between the machine and the truck frame. This near miss highlights critical safety failures rooted in complacency and a lack of training. To prevent such accidents, crews must always use heavy-duty loading ramps rated for the specific machinery and maintain a strict safe perimeter, ensuring non-essential personnel stay clear of pinch points. Furthermore, transport vehicles must be stabilized on level ground, and only certified operators should handle heavy equipment. Ultimately, prioritizing speed over safety is a fatal mistake. Taking the time to follow established guidelines is the only way to ensure every worker returns home safely. Security footage captures a serious workplace safety incident at a loading dock that serves as a vital reminder for all industrial workers. In the video, a worker attempts to manually adjust a large crate on a truck while a forklift operates nearby. Due to a lack of clear communication and the worker standing within the machinery's danger zone, a collision occurs, catching the worker between the equipment and the vehicle. This highlights the high stakes of operational errors and the need to maintain a safe distance from a machine's operating radius. It is crucial to ensure constant contact through signals and never use physical strength to stabilize loads while machines are in motion. This footage is a powerful call to follow safety protocols, as staying alert and keeping distance is the only way to protect yourself and your colleagues. Stay safe and stay vigilant at all times. This footage captures a critical safety incident at a manufacturing facility involving a high-capacity industrial press. While the machine was in operation, A worker reached into the machinery's path during its downward cycle instead of maintaining a safe distance. Due to the immense force, the individual was caught instantly, leading to a life-altering accident. This serves as a sobering reminder to follow OSHA standards. Workers must maintain strict clearance from any point of operation and always utilize lockout, tagout LOTO procedures before inspection. Complacency remains a major hazard, as even experienced staff must never ignore warning signs or bypass safety guards. Implementing technology like light curtains is essential for prevention. A single second of distraction can change a life forever. Always prioritize your safety and follow protocols. Safety first every time. The footage captures a high-risk operation where a crane attempts to lower a heavy container onto a flatbed truck. Two workers are seen standing directly on the truck bed, guiding the massive load with their hands. Due to improper hoisting and the absence of tag lines, the load swings out of control and collapses. One worker narrowly escapes by jumping off, while the other is shielded by the cabin. This incident highlights critical failures: improper positioning within the fall zone, lack of guide ropes, and poor coordination. It serves as a vital reminder that safety is non-negotiable. Workers must maintain a safe perimeter, use proper equipment, and ensure professional certification. Never trade personal safety for speed, as complacency on a job site can lead to life-altering consequences. Inside a cramped warehouse, massive sacks of rice were stacked high, forming towering walls of supplies. A worker unexpectedly pulled a sack from the bottom of a stack, instantly compromising the stability of the entire pile. Within seconds, the heavy wall collapsed, trapping the individual under the immense weight. The loud crash drew the attention of nearby staff, who rushed to the scene to frantically clear the bags. This footage serves as a critical reminder of the hazards within storage facilities. Improper handling of heavy goods can lead to catastrophic structural failures. To ensure a safe workplace, it is vital to follow stacking protocols, maintain situational awareness, and strictly adhere to safety standards. Always prioritize proper technique over speed to ensure everyone stays safe. This incident is a sobering lesson on why rigorous workplace regulations exist. Effective operational coordination is vital when loading heavy materials, requiring constant communication and precise synchronization between the excavator operator and the truck driver. To maintain load distribution and impact control, materials must be placed gently and centered within the truck bed. One must strictly avoid free-dropping oversized loads that exceed the equipment's structural limits or balance point. Regarding the use of restraints, operators should always wear seatbelts to ensure that, in the event of a tip-over, they remain within the protective frame of the cab rather than being ejected. Furthermore, maintaining stability awareness and a safe perimeter is essential, as equipment stability can change in an instant when handling irregular debris. Adhering to these OSHA standards and safety procedures is a critical reminder to protect all personnel. This footage captures a critical safety incident at a facility entrance as an excavator began reversing into a workshop while two workers stood behind to guide the operator. Due to a lack of coordinated communication and standing directly within blind spots, a serious accident occurred when one worker was pinned against the door frame. This serves as a stark reminder to maintain safe clearance and never stand in the immediate path of heavy machinery. Maintaining a buffer zone is essential for a quick escape. Furthermore, spotters must remember that if they cannot see the operator's eyes in the mirrors, the operator cannot see them. Standardized hand signals and constant situational awareness are vital to prevent such emergencies. Strict adherence to safety protocols is the only way to ensure every worker returns home safely, as even a moment of complacency can lead to devastating results.